Hey everyone, I'm Trevor and today we're at Universal Studios Hollywood to bring you the ultimate food guide. I'm going to show you every place where you can grab a bite to eat at Universal Studios, so let's get going. We're going to start off our food tour with the Hollywood and Dine. There is the park entrance right over there coming in this way. I went down a little far. And then over here is Water World, just for spatial awareness. But here we have the Hollywood and Dine, which is going to have Asian flavors. Pork ramen noodles, teriyaki chicken, a special ingredient soup from Kung Fu Panda, a creamy sesame noodle salad, Korean corn dog, and funnel cakes are located in here. Here's a look at the seating area outside of the restaurant. Quite a few seats. Not a super popular place. Whenever I came here, there was hardly anybody in line, and it doesn't look too busy right now. This is the teriyaki chicken for $15.99 from Hollywood and Dine. Now we're gonna head down this road, and a large majority of the food in the upper lot is gonna be over here off to the left or straight ahead down at the Simpsons area. That's where you're gonna find your food in the upper lot. Immediately to our left here is Starbucks Coffee. We're not gonna bother going in there. Typical Starbucks location for you. They also have one in the lower lot. You will find a variety of carts all along the way here that have popcorn, pretzels, churros, fruit cups, drinks. We're not going to call out every single cart, but they are throughout the park. Straight ahead is the City Snack Shop. You'll find this on the mobile app menu. If you open that up and go to dining, you will see this is listed as one of the options for food. I don't believe this opens till 11:30 though, but here is a look at their menu. Again, not currently open, but should be very shortly. It's about 11:20 at the time of this filming. Right next door to that is going to be the Palace Deli and Market. Sandwiches and salads. Let's go in there and see what they have. And here is a look at that deli and market. Not a lot of seating, a few tables inside, a few tables outside, but not very many. In here you'll find things like turkey and Swiss, California club wrap, vegan banh mi, and much more. Mostly this is just going to be a grab and go. Oh look, you can get Minion cookies in here. I love those. They're sugar cookies. We came out that exit there, and straight ahead is the Despicable Me Minion Mayhem ride. We're actually going to turn right and continue the food tour. First up is going to be a little snack window, Despicable Delights. Here you can find some special Minion and Despicable Me themed food. Looks like they're sold out of the Minion banana bars, but they have a cinnamon churro, a felonious float, Nutella banana pudding, popcorn cups, collectible sippers, and more. The primary food location though is going to be the Minion Cafe right next door. And we'll pop inside there. Here's all the outdoor seating for it. Not a crazy ton of seats. Most of them are occupied at the moment. I have eaten in here before, so we're not going to be eating here today. They mostly have grilled cheese. Let's take a look at the menu. No worries. We have some desserts, rotisserie chicken, pork ramen bowl, chicken bacon ranch mac and cheese, pulled pork grilled cheese, classic grilled cheese, meatball parmesan grilled cheese, chicken tenders, chicken Caesar salad, and loaded nachos. If Despicable Me is right over there, we're turning down this way, heading down this road, Tour de France. We're in the Paris French Bistro sort of area here. You can see all the outdoor tables for the French Bistro. We got food there this morning. I'll show you the croissant that I got while I was there. Really good croissant, very rich, nice and chocolatey. And here it is, the French Street Bistro. You can come on in here and grab yourself a sandwich. They have grab and go sandwiches on the right, but then there's also sandwiches that you can order from the menu as well. Hot sandwiches are ham and brie or turkey and Swiss. They also have a Lorraine quiche or a mushroom quiche. If we do a 180 from the entrance to the French Bistro, we're gonna find Mels Diner. Lots of seating over here for Mels Diner. Lots and lots of tables are available, both just outside the restaurant and across the street, as well as inside diner seating. Inside, you'll be able to get Mel's Classic Burger, the hot chicken sandwich, the Beyond Barbecue Cheeseburger, a chili cheese dog barbecue brisket sandwich, tuna melt chicken Caesar salad, or a fresh funnel cake. And that's it for over here on this side of the park. Right before we enter Hawksmead and show you one of my favorite places to eat in all of Universal Studios Hollywood, we're actually going to swing a right. You see Kung Fu Panda Adventure right there. If we follow this path, we're going back towards the entrance of the park. And we have Cocina Mexicana. In here, you'll find a taco salad, a taco platter, beef birria tacos, which honestly sound amazing, sopes, nachos, sides and desserts, and some drinks that are available for purchase. The seating for that location is shared with Mels Diner. So that big area that we showed you outside, that's the seating for both of those locations. Now here we go. Hawksmead, my favorite. Now Honeyduke's over here off to the left is gonna have a lot of chocolate, a lot of sweets, things that you can purchase. Highly recommend getting the Fizzing Whizbees. I will be buying a box or two before I head home today. I always do that every time I come here, buy some Fizzing Whizbees. We have the butterbeer cart. There's actually two locations for butterbeer carts. Out here, they have hot butterbeer, cold butterbeer, and frozen butterbeer. Actually, I don't think this location has the hot butterbeer. I know that the Hawkshead does. And right behind that butterbeer cart is the Three Broomsticks. It's got amazing English, British food. So if you are into stuff from the United Kingdom, we are talking shepherd's pie, bangers and mash, those sorts of things. You can also purchase those butterbeers inside this location as well. You get pumpkin juice, gilly water, and more, all themed to the Harry Potter world. Right next door to the Three Broomsticks is the Hogshead, and this is going to be a place where you can go and order alcohol, but you can also order butterbeers in there as well. Why wait in that long line right there for a butterbeer? You can just go into the Hogshead right here and get it right away. This is my butterbeer. That's it for this land, so we're just going to do an about face, go right back out, and head down into Springfield. Construction going on there for the new ride that they're going to be putting in, the Fast and Furious roller coaster, I believe it's going to be. And that takes place just before Springfield. And here we go. Now we're going to try to find there's tons of food in here, tons and tons of food. First up we see is Phineas Q Butterfat's Ice Cream Parlor, so let's go over there. Looks like they have ice cream conons, vanilla soft serve with flavor swirl, brain freezing sundae, and some specialty sundaes that are available right over here at Phineas Q Butterfat's Ice Cream Parlor. Immediately opposite that is Lard Lad Donuts, where you can get some of the largest donuts I have ever seen. They cost $10. They are massive. You're gonna need your whole family in order to eat those. Our next little jaunt down here is gonna be Suds McDuff's Hot Dog House. And you can see there's quite a line there. Here is a look at the menu for Sud McDuff. There it is. Oh, we almost missed one. Between the hot dog house and the ice cream parlor is Luigi's Pizza. Looks pretty crowded. We won't go inside. They've got a menu on the outside. Slice-o pepperoni pizza, meat likers pizza, slice-o cheese pizza, meat haters pizza, vegetable pizza, I love it. Fat Tony's witness protected pasta and meatballs. You can get a whole pizza as well. Nice. Now we're gonna have to try to cross this very busy street to go check out Krusty Burger. Pretty crowded in here as well, wow. Very, very crowded. We can see the menu though from here. We have a Krusty Burger, a Vlogger Burger, Mother Nature Burger, Sideshow Bob footlong, and a chicken Caesar salad. Looks like they also have milkshakes, brownies, triple chocolate cookie, that sort of thing. Ooh, squishy, frozen beverage. Oh look, it's Moe's. Let's go into Moe's. So we have a bar in here at Moe's. It looks like there's more off to this direction. Cletus's Peep Fried Chicken Platter, Chicken Thumbs Platter, Chicken and Waffle Sandwich, Grilled to be Grilled Chicken Sandwich, and a Chicken Caesar Salad. Anything else on the menu? Just those same sort of things we've been seeing at the other places. Looks like we were actually in Cletus's Chicken Shack. Shares a building with Moe's. Long, long line for the Chicken Shack. Now we're gonna come over into this plaza. Duff Looks like we've got a brewery, some alcohol over that direction, and then Bumblebee Man's Tacos. 2 tacos served on a soft corn tortilla. And you can see pollo, carnitas, carne asada. And they have mucho macho nachos as well. Time to head into the lower lot, which means we're gonna have to go down these escalators. And there's a few more food locations down there. Most of the food though is up here in the upper lot. When we reach the bottom here in the lower lot, first place we're gonna go is over here off to our left to the Jurassic Cafe. I actually wanna grab some food myself. You'll see what I get. Let's go to the Jurassic Cafe. Then afterwards, there's plenty of food places down here that we'll point out to you. Right outside the Jurassic Cafe is the Isla Nu Bar, an alcohol location. Looks like there are a few tables on the outside here. See if there are tables on the inside as well. Looks like that there are. And we're gonna be in a little bit of a line here. They do have a few seats in here, as well as those freestyle machines. If you have one of the refillable mugs, you can purchase one of those when you're here today. Got some more freestyles over there, as well as more tables. Here's a look at the menu while we're waiting. The family feast for $69.99. Brazilian cheesy bread, empanadas, and hummus. Mojo pork, and a half-roasted chicken adobo. The Isla burger, as well as some skewers. The Isla salad, and a fruit and veggie salad. And then you can also get a mojito, as well as good cocktails, and a souvenir cup for Jurassic Park. Right, here it is. This is what I ordered, the mojo pork. I thought about getting the Isla burger, but I just decided to go with something other than a burger, and I got the pork. I could have gotten a free cup of water, but there was a long line for drinks, and this was easily grabbable, so I just did that to speed things along here. I think this was like $5. Yeah, expensive water bottle, but it is what it is. And so let's give this a try. It didn't look like a lot of pork at first, but once I moved the vegetables out of the way, because they're not my favorite type of vegetables, there's a lot of pork under there. It's quite filling. The pork is juicy and tender, and it's got good flavoring. The rice is plentiful, lots and lots of rice. The rice has good flavoring as well. This is a fantastic option. If you like pork, especially a mojo pork, come get this here at Jurassic Cafe. It won't disappoint you. Now that we're done with lunch, we're gonna just pop back by here. Here's the Isla Nu Bar again. Looks like they've got some cocktails, tiki Thai, Mai Tais, that sort of thing. Straight ahead is gonna be Mummy Eats, just outside the Mummy attraction to the right. Here you'll find corn dogs, classic or vegetarian, Korean or spicy, as well as a cinnamon churro. If we do a 180 from there, you'll see the Isla Nu Bar over there again. Straight ahead is going to be this Super Mario World drinks and popcorn stand, which is quite popular here. A fruity cream soda or a popcorn bucket in collectible things. Oh, they have fountain drinks as well. Next to that is Starbucks coffee. Again, just standard Starbucks. They have one in the upper lot. They have one in the lower lot as well. Over to our left is actually going to be Panda Express. Nothing special about Panda Express, so we won't go over there and look at it. But they do have a chain restaurant here in the park. It's down in the lower lot, the Studio Commissary. Now immediately to our right is going to be Studio Scoop. This is an ice cream milkshake location. They have fun-looking ice cream cones with colored edges. Kind of reminds me of Florian Fortescue's at Diagon Alley over in Orlando. They also have some milkshakes available as well. I grabbed the chocolate egg 6 milkshake, which you see pictured. But since I didn't get whipped cream, they didn't give me any of the extra stuff on top, which is kind of frustrating. I just got a flat milkshake. And immediately opposite that, which there's that Panda Express again. Straight ahead is going to be the Studio Cafe. Let's go check it out. This looks like a grab-and-go style deli. Essentially what's in here. We have some treats there, some cotton candy up there. Basically just grab your sandwich, grab your salad, grab your drink, and head out the door there. And then out here is going to be the seating. A little bit of tables over here, a little bit of tables over there, but not a whole lot. And they do have more seating around this way though. And our final food location on this tour is going to be located inside Super Nintendo World. There was no line to get in. I just was able to walk straight in. It is about 12:10 in the afternoon at the moment. And this land is always crazy busy. So we're going to work our way over to the back where the Toadstool Cafe is. And here it is, a Toadstool Cafe. Now this is the most popular food location in the entire park. Upper lot or lower lot, doesn't matter. This one actually requires reservations. You have to come down here. It's not a digital reservation to come down here. At least it was in March when I came here. You had to get a physical paper reservation from the people standing under the tent there. They would hand you a little paper card with a time slot to come back to it. And even once you came back, you still had to wait in pretty much an hour-long line just to order your food and sit down. It's pretty insane, but the food is really good. Here's a look at some of the items that we got while we were in there. It's also really like awesomely themed inside the restaurant. And so that the food is tasty. Is it worth the wait? That's going to be up to you, how big of a Mario fan you have. But we loved it. I just don't know if we're going to be in a hurry to do it again. When you exit Super Nintendo World, it spits you right here at the Isla Nublar. And we're actually going to head back up to the upper lot now. Well, that's it for our time here today at Universal Studios Hollywood, taking you on a full food tour around the land. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button. If you have any questions that I didn't answer, go ahead and drop them in the comments below. Then click this video to keep watching. We'll see you again next time.